Yeah, good morning. I am Sbusiso Khanyile, the Director for Examination and Administration in the province. Our expectation as the Directorate here is the synergy of the branch is to also see the collaboration of all um, Chief Directorates under the branch, and also to see how we can integrate with other Chief Directorates like district operations, um, enhancing the achievement of our learner outcomes and also to improve our results at the end of the year. The most important thing that we are striving for is to provide synergy in all our activities and to ensure that collaboration yields good results and success for the branch. Thank you very much.